Hey everybody, Greg with Drifter Journey here to talk about digital wireless backup cameras today. We're going to do a review of this model from FXT Technology. They sent it to us to try it out. So yeah, I'm going to hook it up real quick. We'll do a little demo of how it works, but a couple things about the product. It comes with a 7-inch screen, a backup camera that is oil, water resistant. It's supposed to be like IP69, water rated, all weather. They come with little antennas to talk to each other. It says at high speed you can see 56 feet away, and it's slow speed and reversing 65 feet. So if you're pulling a trailer, it can be pretty far away. Easy wiring. You're supposed to be able to wire this into backup lights or whatever 12 volt you got in the rear of your vehicle. And what else? The monitor plugs in with a 12 volt cigarette lighter style. It has an additional USB port on it. This has infrared night vision, says up to 33 feet, so we will do an evening test on that. And comes with some mounting brackets and whatnot, so you can put it wherever you need it. Yeah, so we're gonna wire it up and do a test for you guys. I don't know what else I forgot. Oh, you can hook up to 4 cameras to one monitor, so you could split it 2 ways or quad to see all 4 cameras at once if you need multiple cameras in case you want to do all kinds of crazy stuff. Also, you can record on it, so you would be able to use it, put a micro USB in there or a regular USB. I didn't even look what it is yet, but you can record. So if you wanted to have kind of a dash cam style or maybe some theft monitoring, that would be an option with that. And I think that's about it. So let's get this thing together. Come on, baby. Yeah. That'll work for the test. Ow. So obviously, I would wire this better and do all this nicer later. But for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and shove it in here. Beautiful. So there's a little arrow that lines up with a little notch in here. And that's the connection. Okay, for the sake of the video and getting this out to you guys sooner than later, I just mounted it up here with some VHB tape. I would not do that if I were leaving it on there permanently. And then we just ran the wires in direct to our extra battery up in here and just electrical taped it onto there. So if there's any disruption in the service while we're driving, it's because of our poor connections. But we're gonna go and test this thing out. And for my next trick, I will back up a driveway. We got, so, road, cul-de-sac, driveway. Cul-de-sac, driveway is a little tiny speck on that screen. So it obviously is much clearer. I could probably aim it up higher if I wanted to. So I have it aimed pretty low. Look at that HD motorcycle back there. If you were to have 4 screens. Or you could flip through, which obviously we don't have 2, 3, or 4 currently here. So it's obviously much clearer than the stock backup camera. And obviously a 7-inch screen is much bigger than this. I think this is a 5-inch screen. So now we're gonna wait until dark to try out the infrared. Now we will drive backwards in the dark. Oh, what's that? What do you think?
I think it's much clearer.
It's not color at night, it doesn't seem to be.
That's true. It's not color.
Alright, so that's a quick demonstration of this backup camera. If you're in the market, I would say it does what it advertises for sure. Seemed pretty easy to put together. It seems like getting multiple screens is really easy. It's pretty basic with all the buttons. So you need a backup camera for your camper, RV, trailer, etc., whatever it may be. Van conversion if you're in the market and you want a better screen, go ahead and get yourself one. Thank you for watching.